Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta cheese step by step. Begin by boiling salted water and cooking pasta to al dente. While pasta cooks, grate cheese finely and warm milk or cream slowly to avoid scorching. Save some starchy pasta water to loosen the sauce if needed. Mix drained pasta with the melted cheese off heat for a silky texture, then finish with cracked pepper and fresh herbs for flavor. Choose cheeses that melt well and grate them finely to speed melting and ensure smoothness. Gently heat milk or cream with a pinch of salt so the cheese blends without splitting. Stir cheese into warm dairy off the heat and fold in pasta water gradually until the sauce coats the noodles luxuriously. Taste and adjust seasoning, then add a splash of acid like lemon if the sauce feels flat or heavy. After draining, return pasta to the pot and pour in the warm cheese sauce, working off direct heat to avoid graininess. Add reserved pasta water tablespoon by tablespoon until the sauce clings to each strand with a shiny finish. Toss gently and taste for salt and acidity, then plate promptly so the sauce stays silky. Top with fresh herbs or cracked pepper and offer grated extra cheese at the table for a comforting final touch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.